So here we are for a tour of the before pictures of Andover. As we walk through the house, I'll kind of give you an idea of what we're going to be doing to this house. This house is one of those homes that you hear about that has a lot of deferred maintenance. The previous homeowner lived here for several years, really didn't do a lot to maintain the home. There's a lot of updating that needs to be done, as well as a lot of damage that needs to be repaired. We're here in the entryway, walking into the living room. This house is going to be a pretty much a complete redo. We're redoing paint, we're redoing flooring, we're redoing exterior paint, a new roof, pretty much replacing all of the fans, the light fixtures. We will be putting in new countertops, new mirrors, pretty much a complete redo. As we're walking through the house, as we're shooting video here, you'll notice a lot of damage to walls and paint and that sort of thing. All of that will be fixed, and you'll see it as we go along. You'll notice if we shoot the floors here, you'll notice that there's kind of a mixture of two different tiles. Right here, you'll notice as we're here in the living room, there's one tile. As you go over here to the breakfast area, kitchen area, the entryway is a different tile. So there's two different tiles in the house that don't match. We're going to be tearing out, starting tomorrow, we will be tearing all of this flooring out. We start out there, so that's where you want to start the process here. You want to start by doing your demolition work first before you start your paint, because you don't want to damage the paint, get the new paint all covered with dust. So tomorrow we'll start demolition. So what we mean by demolition is we're going to tear out all the flooring tomorrow. We'll be tearing out all the countertops in the kitchens, in the bathrooms, getting all the floors scraped and clean, all of the dust out of here, and then we'll start working on paint. We'll have another video probably tomorrow on demolition, showing you some demolition, and then we'll start the paint process after that. We're going to kind of do a walk through the house right here. This is the living room. All of this will be painted in gray tones. The fireplace will be painted, the brick will be painted, and then the interior of the fireplace will be painted new black interior there. When we go in here, it's kind of a traditional format. This house has 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, 1,812 square feet in a gated neighborhood in South Tyler. It's in the White House Independent School District. This is the breakfast area back here. You can see that most of the fixtures and that type of thing need to be updated. This is the kitchen here. We are going to be able to salvage some stuff here in the kitchen. We are tearing out the countertops. We'll be replacing the countertops with granite, with an undermount stainless sink, and then we'll be doing a new tile backsplash that you'll see later that will be like white subway tile. These cabinets that are kind of an oak look right now will all be painted, and then all the hardware will be replaced. You notice that there's a combination of appliances here that we don't like when we're remodeling a house. Actually, there's a pretty nice stainless range here, smooth top, and then there's a nice stainless dishwasher here that we will be keeping. But notice how they kept the white microwave. That has already been ordered and will be replaced with stainless. This refrigerator will be going out of here and will be replaced with a stainless side-by-side refrigerator. These cabinets will all be painted sort of a grayish white color, as well as all the other trim, the crown moldings, doors, all of that. So the kitchen, again, will have new granite countertops, new light fixtures. Everything you see that needs to be repaired will be repaired. If we come back this way, this is a split bedroom plan. So if we come back this way, you're going to notice that the master bedroom is on the left side of the house. It's got a double doors leading here into the master. Again, the master has this large kind of gray tile. We're tearing all of this out starting tomorrow. When you come into the master here, you'll see that there's a lot of damage here. This was caused by the previous owner had a large dog in the house, and that's where the dog slept, and so he beat up, chewed up, whatever happened over here. Notice again how we have this going from one tile to another tile. I'm not sure why this was done with two different colors or schemes. You kind of got this dark gray going into kind of a tan color, different size tile. All of the tiles coming out, they will all be replaced with wide plank wood look flooring. As you come into the master bathroom, you're going to see kind of a different kind of thing in here. This is a closet right here. You'll see a closet on this side that has a pocket door. It's a walk-in closet. If you look as you walk into here, you'll notice on the other side there's this big open area next to the toilet. What happened here was the owner was actually confined to a wheelchair, the previous owner, and so as a result of that, he could not access the toilet area. There used to be another closet right here, so when you walked into the master bathroom, there was a his and hers walk-in closet on each side. What happened is he had to tear this closet out so that he could have room to access the toilet with his wheelchair. So we are rebuilding that closet back here. So there will be a new closet built right here with a sliding door. It will match. So when you walk in here now, there'll be a his and hers walk-in closet. You'll still have the toilet in its own little room. We'll probably put a little swinging door right here on the toilet room, just to kind of give some privacy for the toilet area. You walk in here, you do have a really, really large master bathroom. Notice that you've got this huge vanity with a little makeup area. We will be changing out these light fixtures. The countertops will be coming out. New granite countertops, there'll be new fixtures. Just a little towel closet right here. And then over here, there's a big marble walk-in shower. We are going to keep this shower. It's in good condition. It's dirty, but it's in good condition. We're going to change out the shower hardware. And then we're going to put a frameless glass door onto the shower right here. So that will be what we're doing on this side. All of this paint will be redone. All repairs will be done. So we walk back through the house. We're going to go to the other side of the house now, where the other two bedrooms are. So this is a split bedroom plan. You got a little pantry here in the kitchen. We're walking back to the kitchen. Right here, off the kitchen is the utility room. You will see here in the utility room that this is where the washer and dryer go right here. On this side, there's kind of a pantry. This could be used for the kitchen pantry because this is right next to the kitchen. These sliding doors are damaged, and that's just a small repair. They just need new hardware on them. So we go to this side of the house, and once again, you're going to notice that the tile keeps changing colors. So this is a split plan. There's two bedrooms over here with a bath in between. This bath, again, tub is good. We'll be pulling out this vanity. This will be replaced with granite with an under-counter sink, new mirrors, new light fixtures, and everything. All of the wood cabinets will all be painted. And by the way, I will say more about the paint job later, but we'll talk about the importance of using oil-based paints on all of your cabinets and the trim and why that's important. We'll talk about that in another video in a couple of days. Here's another bedroom, very colorful bedroom. We have gray paint over here. We have teal blue over there. We have white on the ceiling with some gray paint on the ceiling up there as well. A pretty nice sized closet right here. And then again, you go into the other bedroom down here. And similar type thing, tile, similar closet size. This is furniture that the previous owner left in the house. So that's one of the things you're going to see. If you're going to flip property, sometimes people are just going to leave stuff. This is relatively light actually, so I'll probably give this stuff away or like make a donation. One of the things you can do if you've got something that's useful, like this is a king size headboard. There's a side-by-side refrigerator in the kitchen. There's that microwave oven. A lot of times we give those things to like Habitat for Humanity. they will come out and pick those items up. They'll actually give you a receipt. You're doing something good for someone else, and at the same time, you're getting a tax deduction by donating those items. So it's a good thing to do. We're gonna make a quick journey out here to the garage real quick, because I want to show you what happens when you have deferred maintenance and you don't take care of a house. So we're off the utility room, we're going into the garage. The big trailer you see right here is from the roofers that are here today. As I said in the earlier video, the roof is being replaced because of hail damage. So over here, I want to point out this area right over here. So the garage will be completely repaired and damaged, but see all of this work right up here. So where you've had this water damage here, and then down here on the wall, you've got further damage. So right out here on the roof, the original roof would not only had hail damage, but it was installed incorrectly. It did not have a cricket installed in the proper location where it should be. As a result of that, water backed up behind the gutters and came in here. There's wood rot on the outside that has to be repaired. Water came back in, and then it came backwards into the garage and did this damage here. So that all has to be repaired as well. We'll put up some new light fixtures in here and clean everything up. When we paint everything, so we don't leave the garage out. We're going to take care of all of that. So this is going to end this video, kind of give you an overview of the house. The next video we show you after this is going to be one where we talk about what we're going to do with the landscaping and some of the landscaping issues. Landscaping is a very important part of a remodel, and so we're going to talk about that in the next video. Thanks for watching today. Have a great day.